안녕! This is your Korean study buddy Sunny. Today we will learn expressions that are used by the K-pop fanbase such as podoal, 최최차차, and sonminsu hada. Through examining these expressions, you will learn how young Koreans coin new words and learn their culture as well. Let's get started with the first expression. Our first word is podoal. It is a combination of podo, meaning grapes, and al, which is a measure word for small round fruits or grains. So podoal literally refers to one grape. However, in the fanbase context, it means one solitary empty seat on concert ticketing service websites, because empty seats are green or purple, and these seats are shaped like grapes. Here is an example of podoal. A YouTube video from singer-songwriter IU is titled 포도알이 있었는데 없습니다. It is directly translated to there was one grape, but it does not exist. However, regarding a concert, it means that there was an empty seat, but it is booked. Let's move on to our next expression. Our second expression is 최최차차, which stands for chae는 chae고, chae는 chaenu다. This is translated to my favorite is my favorite, but chaeunu is chaeunu. In this context, chae means your absolute favorite member of a K-pop band. And chaeunu is a member of the boy band Astro, and he is widely considered to be one of the most handsome men amongst K-pop idols. So the expression 최최차차 means that even though you have your absolute favorite idol, you can't help but like chaeunu because he is chaeunu. Let's look at an example of 최최차차. If someone says 최최차차라더니 차은우 너무 잘생겼어, it means that people said 최최차차, 차은우 is extremely handsome. Our last expression is 아이돌 손민수 hada. This expression consists of three parts. Idol, meaning idol. 손민수 refers to a character who copies a pretty woman protagonist from webtoon, Tis in the Trap, and the verb hada, meaning to. This phrase refers to the activity of imitating an idol by buying the same clothing, shoes, or makeup that they wear. I will give you an example of this. If someone says, 나 최애 향수 손민수 했어, it means that I bought the perfume that my absolute favorite idol has. This marks the end of today's video. Please comment down below your chae and let me know some similar expressions in your language. If you have found this video interesting, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. 안녕!